पता था until now, because when we go to the gym and when we are on the दौड़ भाग, हम इतना चेकआउट करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है. But I'm glad that I've built some good back muscles, you know. So easy yet exercise which are doable even at home. Finally जब जिम खुलेगा, I was thinking कि मैं घर पे ही एक्सरसाइज करूँगी या जिम भी जाऊँगी. जिम जाऊँगी obviously, but I think मैं at least हफ्ते में 1 या 2 दिन I will carry on with the home workouts because I'm just loving it. I'm working on my back today, but I'm using the resistance bands. So कुछ exercises मैंने सीखे हैं. I want to show them to you. I think if you have resistance bands at home, you can use them. I kept a chair here और जो resistance bands है उनको मैंने यहाँ अटका दिया है दरवाजे पर. I have locked the door. Okay. और मैंने घर वालों को भी बता दिया है that I'm working out. So जिम में जो लैट पुल मशीन होता है, this will do a similar kind of workout. Ready? Okay. So here we go. Not easy. So the technique is, we think this is easy, but जब करोगे तो समझ में आएगा. The technique is time under tension. So when you pull it, stay there for 2 seconds, so that वो tension बना रहे, back muscles workout हो जाए. This is really good. So if you have resistance bands, I have always been resistant to resistance bands. I never liked them. बहुत महीनों से पड़ा है मेरे बैग में. But just see, किसको कब किसकी ज़रूरत पड़ जाए, we just don't know, you know. And we learn this from life. This is what I have learned. So if you have this, try it at home. Lesson that I have learned during my overall training is that just look behind. We have a picture with Obama. Don't miss that. Take a close up. Close up. Close up. So one lesson that I learned is that when you start out, जब आप शुरू करते हैं कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए, तो आपके दिमाग में एक नंबर होना चाहिए, मतलब कि आप उस सेट पे कितने रेपिटेशंस करेंगे. So sometimes I fix 13, sometimes I fix 15, sometimes I fix 17, depending on the amount of कितना heavy मेरा weight है, and sometimes it also could be 9 अगर मैं heavy weights उठा रही हूँ. So जो भी आप फिक्स करते हैं, कोशिश करना कि आप वो रिपीटेशंस कंप्लीट करें. कुछ अजीब सा इसीलिए टारगेट फिक्स मत कीजिए. You know your body, you know your stamina, you know your capacity. capacity. Accordingly, when you start an exercise, आपको पता है कि अगर आप 5 किलो का डंबल उठा रहे हैं या 7.5 किलो के या 10 किलो के, you know your capacity because you are already doing it. You've done this before. So, as you are about to start, fix a number in your head. If you fixed 17, मैंने स्टार्टिंग में जो मेरे कोच थे, जिम कोच, उन्होंने मुझे ये बताया था कि जब भी 17 बोलूँ तो 17 + 1 करना. सो ऑलवेज 1 एक्स्ट्रा. और अगर आपको टफ लगता है, ज़रूरत पड़े तो थोड़ा स्लो जाओ, थोड़ा 1 सेकेंड के लिए वही रुक जाओ, बट यू फिनिश ऑफ those number of repetitions. This is one thing that I have learned and from my coach, and I'm very thankful to him for telling me this, and I do it till today. So I had fixed 13 repetitions for this one arm pull, or by the time I reached 9, I started feeling pain as in exhausted, but मैं थोड़ा slow गई, but I completed 13 plus 1 extra. So this is one thing that I always do, and I do not violate this. So I just hope that this tip will also help you. And this is one of my favorite exercises that I do in the gym. Of course with machines, but we'll make do this one. Plus 1 done. And the one hand dumbbell rows, I think इसको rows ही कहते हैं. I have 4 kilo dumbbells, so I'll take 2 of them to do this. In the gym, the last time we went to the gym, I remember कि मैं 16 kilo dumbbell से करती हूँ, but आगे कोई option नहीं है, so I will do with this. Switch sides. Do you want to meet my workout buddy? कहते हैं कि अगर आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे होते हो तो आपके पास अगर एक बडी हो तो इट रियली हेल्प्स यू, एनहेंसेस योर एक्सरसाइजेस, बिकॉज 2 लोग अगर मिलकर एक्सरसाइज करें या बडीज बने रहे ड्यूरिंग वर्कआउट, एक दूसरे को वो पुश करते हैं और मोटिवेट करते हैं, इंस्पायर करते हैं. सो डू यू वांट टू सी माय वर्कआउट बडी राइट नाउ? देयर ही इज. ये सो ये स्पेशल है वर्कआउट बडी. As I work out, he works out in his laptop. Yay! So ये special type का inspiration और friendship है. Workout and workout in laptop. Now for the next one. Do you see this arrangement? This, okay. इस बार मैंने इसको नीचे से लगा दिया है. And I will attach my dumbbell to this. Go.